Howdy there, Heathens. On today's episode of Bad Duddie Productions, I take over the channel. Oh, come on. Seriously? Damn it, Tybo? No battery. Back to what I was saying. On today's episode, I challenge that dirty Canadian hippie and his clapped-out Ford to a race against the COD. That's right. It's about to be Cummins on Big Block Crime. Jabo? Blake? Tybo? You're gonna have to sit this one out. This one's between me and the dirty hippie. But first, we meet at dawn in Mexico.
That guy think he is?
You ready to do this? That fix or repair daily ain't got nothing on this clapped out old Dodge.
Huh? Yeah, I'm ready. Just let me turn off my air conditioning.
Isn't that one of those found on road dead? I hope you got AAA.
AAA? Is that all the alphabet you know?
Hell, what am I saying? Ford's come factory with AAA.
We're gonna do this.
Why you're bragging. That Ford is just a functionally overrated Dodge.
What does yours stand for? Duddie's old dirty garage experiment?
Hey, you cheating no good? I'm using first gear. How come you aren't? My trans brake ain't working.
Trans brake not working? I thought your trans worked. You know, lip singing to Queen songs.
The only reason I gave you that first race was just to make sure that you weren't going to end up on the side of the road.
Ha! You didn't give me that first race. I took it fair and square. Ford power, baby.
Hey, I ain't worried about this race. I didn't even clean out the bed of my truck. I've got at least 1,000 pounds worth of clapped out Dodginess back there.
What about all my extra doors and axles? All right, you want to do another one? Let's go.
Hey, we're redoing that second race. You know you jumped. You cheating no good.
Cheating no good? You know the rules. It ain't cheating unless you get caught, Duddie.
Don't make me get out of this stupid Dodge door.
Oh.
Keep cheating, you long-haired hippie. I'll remove them other fingers and they'll start calling you Stubby Ford. Ford, what is that? Fingers of regrettable drivers? I should have known you long-haired hippie be cheating. What do you got, helium in your tires? Did you put jet fuel in your tank? What am I saying? You probably dumped moonshine in that thing.
Moonshine in the tank? Nah, that's that sweet Coors, baby.
Look, I know you look like Jesus Chrysler, but I'm about to gap-tize you.
Gap-tize me? Oh, whatever. You can't even keep regular water from freezing.
You keep winning. You jumped. I wasn't ready. The sun was in my face. I couldn't see the light. My tires keep slipping. Mercury's in retrograde. I could smell the maple syrup in here. I know you did something to this truck.
Sun was in your eyes. Literally every gas station on the planet has sunglasses. You need me to buy you a pair? I had to check my mirrors, make sure you didn't stop for a taco truck. What took so long?
Hey, I wasn't ready. I thought it was 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Now I have to teach you Texans how to count too? Come on.
You only got me because I left all my tools in the bed of the truck. You gotta carry a lot of tools for a clapped out Dodge.
Come on, I've seen your channel. You should be used to regret and disappointment.
You just wait, Jeremy from Bad Tree Production. I'm about to give the COD all the armadillos. And all you're going to see is my bumper and smell the sweet, sweet smell of taco oil. And for the rest of you heathens, if you want to see what I'm going to do to this clapped out Dodge to try to beat Bad Tree Productions' clapped out Ford, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Because a lot of people don't know how much actual work it takes to make one of these fast. They're slow. Real slow. For you Canadians, it's basically determining the escape velocity of a concrete block going through maple syrup. Yeah, they're slow. Especially this one. It's real slow. Apparently slower than a Ford. That's embarrassing. And disappointing. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notifications on if you want to find out if a clapped out Dodge can beat a clapped out Ford. Yeah. It was a really disappointing race. This further adds to my regrets. Part of the course. You're ever going to beat this Dodge again is if Texas has another polar vortex and I didn't properly mix antifreeze because I'm a Texan and we don't understand those things. And do you think you can tell Jabo to give me a call? Might need some pointers.
What? AAA? I didn't think you Texans could say the alphabet that far. Okay, if this stands for functioning overbuilt Dodge. Oh, got a car coming.
Hey, where's Blake, Jabo, and Tybo? Shouldn't they be helping you push this thing on the road? Are you sure that's a first on race day? Did you mean first to the gas station? First one to pop their hood? Or the first one that's probably going to need head gaskets? You can't handle this clapped out Dodge. 6 in the row, ready to tow. Dodge made it. Cummins shakes it. You think you got all the power with that Ford 460 EFI? Except for the interstate. Makes sense. The only reason I gave you that first race was so I could figure out the footage of road determine that thing could go. That is one clapped out Ford. A COF. Don't forget to turn your head.
Turn my head to cough? I just turned my head to look at you in the mirror. Are you using all of your gears? Switch for this non-busy road. Hey, ain't that diesel truck from that TikTok video I seen?
I should have known a long-haired Canadian hippie like you would cheat. What do you got, nitrous in there? Turbo? Supercharger? Some of that hippie juice in the fuel tank? Cheating no good?
Nitrous? No, I only use nitrous so I can laugh at your jokes. It's like Main Street here. They're not as funny as they were the other day.
Yeah, keep driving. I heard you lost that finger in the tailgate trying to push the Ford off the road. Oh, I know. You ditched that EFI system. You got Jabo to install a thermoquad. I knew you would cheat. The only reason you made it to this race is because Tybo remembered to charge the battery in that clapped out Ford.
All right, hope I can do something with that, buddy.